hi, hello. That's definitely going to be the first thing they'll say. Hello, hi. But if it's like a lion, or like a wild animal, it's going to be like, I want to eat you right now, you know. So
Lion, I'm the king. Dolphin, I'm smooth. Zebra, goddamn, I got a lot of lines. Put yourself in a line. Giraffe, poof, that neck though. He would say I'm the highest one, the tallest one.
Fuck you. Suck a dick, bitch. It's a knife. It's a knife. It's a knife. It's a knife. That's a knife. Skr, 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 skr.
Stop throwing plastic in nature.
fuck you, you're stupid cunt, something like that.
Yeah, you are an asshole. Live with it.
Food, drink, go outside, food, something like that, I think.
Stop killing us. Love one another. Be natural. Remember who you are.
Oh, it's a hot day. I want to take a dip. Or I'm hungry. Or my owner is so stupid. Or something like that. Yeah.